Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add custom add to cart button in WooCommerce. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to customize the add to cart button in WooCommerce, you can simply use a plugin like custom add to cart button for WooCommerce, or modify the button's text style and functionality through the WordPress Customizer. You can also add custom fields to the cart or create custom URLs for the buttons. So you can simply use a plugin like install and activate the plugin, and I'll simply configure the plugin and simply apply the changes, like publish the changes in the customizer, or you can simply modify the button through the customizer itself. For this, you need to go to Appearance, Customize in the WordPress dashboard, locate the WooCommerce setting, and simply customize the button. Now, click on Publish to save your changes, and adding custom fields to the cart is by using a hook or adding a code and stuff like this. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.